Gavin's sleeping. And his cat is giving him a bath. Oh my god, he's snoring. Wake him up, Kitana. He fell asleep doing his work.